Now we integrate 1 by 3 to 1 x minus x cube whole to the power 1/3 divided by x to the power 4 dx. First we taken out common from here x cube and 1 by x square minus 1, this divided by x to the power 4 dx. One third to 1 x cube and 1/3 power will be x, 1 by x square minus 1 whole to the power 1/3 divided by x to the power 4. We cancel x cube. Now we use substitution method. We substitute 1 by x square minus 1 equal to t and minus 2 by x cube dx equal to dt, and the limits also be changed. When x is 1, that time t will be 0, and when x is 1/3, 1/3 cube mean 9, 9 minus 1, 8, minus, and 2 will come this side. So dt divided by 2, and this will root or cube root of t. We substitute 1 by x square minus 1 equal to t. So this will be t to the power 1/3. And finally this come minus 1 to 0. We know the property minus a to 0 fx dx equal to 0 to a fx dx. So here we apply this property. It will be 0 to 8, 1 by 2 t to the power 1/3 dt. Now we integrate this function. 0 to 8, 1 by 2, 1/3 mean 3 by 4 t to the power 4 by 3. 0 to 8. Next 1 by 2, 3 by 4 t equal to 8. So 8 will 4 by 3, and when t equal to 0 it will be 0. 3 by 8 t to the power 1/3 mean 2, 2 to the power 4 mean 2 to the power 4, 16. Now cut 8 and 16 2. Next this will be 6. This is answer.